ready to start?
Wait, I need to find my glasses.
Oh, sorry, don't know how those got there.
That's alright. Anyways, what
can we do with drones?
To be able to answer this question fully, we'll have to look back to the start of Spring Break 2019, where 20 girls were selected to participate from 6 schools in a program called Girls Take Flight Drone Camp.
We spent our spring break at EIS from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. coding mini drones, learning basic rules of flying, perfecting our autonomous flights, and gaining free flying stick skills.
We had an amazing opportunity to visit Scripps Institution of Oceanography at UCSD and see how they implement drones into their oceanography research.
After drone camp, we then applied for a 24-week-long internship, Girls Take Flight, and only 10 girls were selected to participate in this unique program.
Fun fact, there are actually no programs in the US right now that are similar to what AIS has started here for young girls interested in STEM.
After 10 of us were selected, we started the internship and began growing our knowledge of the drone and STEM world.
We began building our own drones, practicing our flight skills, trying new maneuvers,
visit different companies that are using drones to help their operations,
attend various field trips related to the program, discover many career opportunities, and many more.
and most importantly, we began studying to join the first 200 girls to become drone pilots in the US.
we use these books to help us study for the Part 107 Remote Pilots exam. This exam essentially is about knowing the safety regulations and other factors that can affect your drone usage.
Well, what are some of the endless abilities of drones?
Well,
Wait, you guys, safety first.
Of course, as certified commercial drone pilots, our priority is to make sure to conduct a safe and responsible flight.
And before each flight, you have to obtain authorization in order to conduct a safe flight.
You should always fly safely and proceed with caution, checking the sky constantly to avoid collisions. And of course, always respect people and wildlife.
So, now that everything is clear and safe, what are some of the endless abilities of drones?
Okay, some of our favorites are...
Wait, why don't we just show them? Unicia,
What?
we're trying to start the video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So overall, why are drones good?
Drones are starting to become technologically advanced and has been a growing influence around the world.
Drones have given us an advantage in the constantly modernizing workforces, such as medicine, research, public safety, and so much more.
Drones allow us to make things easier for specific jobs and even gives us something fun to do on our free time.
Also, drones provide us with different abilities that were once impossible for us and help to implement women into careers that are mainly male-dominated.
Furthermore, we chose this topic because we wanted to show that drones open STEM to many different careers.
Being part of the internship has introduced us to many opportunities that we are able to take later on in life. Not only did we continue to learn about the industry,
We also wanted to showcase how hard we have worked to enhance our drone skills.
We have put a lot of time and effort into this internship, and we are super proud of what we have done here.
I mean, after all, we are currently a part of the 0.001% of drone pilots, and I think that's definitely something to be proud of.
We have been able to meet so many different people in this internship, and we have been inspired by many amazing female figures.
I think we can all agree that this program is something any tenacious girl should attempt.
And don't forget, if you work hard, by the end of this program, you'll be making history and be given a once-in-a-lifetime experience.